Hello, Suaba Real Estate presenting a open land with ready offices, with class offices. So let me show you the offices perfectly. So basically this is the warehouse, this is warehouse office for the open land. So this is your entry, from the main entry from the car parking. This is your reception. From the reception area you can go to directly for meeting area, for the conference room. Okay, so now let me take you to the mezzanine floor. Where is the offices? So this is the first ground floor office with pantry. This is the pantry. This is the pantry with all the facilities, with ready kitchen. This is the second pantry, preparation area. This is your dining area with air condition. This is the server room area and waiting area, the drafting and drawing, something like that. You can use for your designing area or whatever your workspace, like this. All fitted with air condition. Now let me take you to the mezzanine floor, which is the ready offices with staircase. When you are getting up, this is directly, you can see the toilet. Again, this is the workstation for the admin department, accounts, so and so. Here your manager room. Here the manager room with the tables and chairs and so on. So let me take you to the inside. So this is the room with ready, and again there is a toilet for the manager room. Now let's go out. There is one more manager room is available. This can be used for your VP or GM, so and so. There is again ready. Again there is a toilet again. So basically this is the office, ready office, designing area or your workspace, accounts department, so and so. Again there is a toilet again there in this office. Now let me go back. Here also you have a waiting area. Again we have a space for storage, file store or something like that. This is located in Algos. Kindly contact Suaba Real Estate. So this is the property again. Kindly contact Suaba Real Estate. Thank you.